Hey everyone, today we are going to see how to create a gold finger in EasyEdit. Let's jump right in. First, go to the top toolbar and select the polyline tool. Draw your polyline, then right-click on it and choose Add Solid Mask Region from the menu. This will create a solid mask-free area on your pad, basically a quick way to define where solid shouldn't cover. Next, a quick tip, select one polyline, and you can copy and paste it to make multiple duplicates. Keep in mind, each line's solid mask stop needs to be added individually. Once that's done, you can use the Align and Distribute tool to make sure all your gold fingers are evenly spaced and neatly arranged. Finally, check it out in the 3D view to see the result. And that's it. Once you get the hang of it, making gold fingers is actually pretty simple.